I wish to underscore that the faith that the principals have shown in me would not be in vain. As we gather here today, we are reminded that the decisions we make today will shape the future of our nation. This workshop is not just a reflection of where we have been, but a critical moment for us to recalibrate, refocus, and lay down concrete steps towards ensuring that we continue to play a pivotal role in Zimbabwe's sustainable national development. In 2023, the agency reflected on successes and challenges, looking ahead to the final stretch of the 5-year journey towards the National Development Strategy 1 and Vision 2030. We now stand at the threshold of the final year of our planning period, with the 2025 calendar year representing our last push before we reach the midpoint of Vision 2030. It is therefore imperative that we assess where we are, reflect on the lesson learned, and refine our strategies for the road ahead. I'm also happy to remind us in this workshop that ZIMSTAT is responsible for measuring where we are through the statistics that we produce.